Tired of your manufacturing business feeling like a juggling act with flaming torches? Well, today, we're diving deep into Mrpeasy, a manufacturing ERP software. To see if it can bring order to the chaos and streamline your operations, we'll be evaluating Mrpeasy based on its features, benefits, drawbacks, usability, functionality, and pricing. First, let's talk features. Mrpeasy boasts a comprehensive suite of tools, including production planning, inventory management, CRM, accounting, and shop floor control. This integration aims to connect all aspects of your business, from taking orders to shipping products. Usability is a major factor. Mrpeasy prides itself on its user-friendly interface. The drag-and-drop functionality simplifies production scheduling and resource allocation. However, some users may find the initial setup and customization a bit overwhelming. Now, the big question: pricing. Mrpeasy offers different pricing tiers, typically based on the number of users and the modules you need. It's relatively affordable compared to some enterprise-level ERP systems, making it attractive for small to medium-sized businesses. But carefully assess your needs to avoid paying for unnecessary features. What are the benefits? Well, streamlined workflows, improved inventory accuracy, better production planning, and enhanced customer communication are all potential upsides. Mrpeasy can foster better collaboration between departments and provide real-time visibility into your operations. But it's not all sunshine and roses. Some users report limited customization options and a learning curve for advanced features. Integration with other third-party software can also be a challenge, depending on your existing systems, so consider this if your systems are very custom. Ultimately, Mrpeasy is a solid ERP option for small to medium-sized manufacturing businesses looking to digitize and optimize their processes. Just remember to weigh the pros and cons, carefully evaluate your specific needs, and perhaps take advantage of a trial period before committing. Thanks for watching.